Hello everyone, welcome to AppStore Radar. Today, I'm going to review this app called PicsArt. So, if you are a fan of photography apps, such as Photoshop, and want to get something similar in your iPhone, I highly suggest you give this app a go. On top of your basic tools, PicsArt offers advanced tools, effects, and millions of stickers, making this photo editor one of the best in the App Store. Enhance your pictures further with lots of custom stickers and border frames. Another strong aspect of this app is the PicsArt community. You can share your images with the community or browse the work of others. I hope you give this app a try and turn your photos into stunning works of art. Then share it with friends and family and get some amazing reactions in return.